Hello everyone, welcome to Codecrafters Lab. So today we are going to solve the factorial of a given number from the TUF plus Basic Maths section. So let's try to understand this problem. So here we are given with the integer n and we want to return the value of n factorial. So what is factorial? Factorial of a number is the product of all positive integers less than or equal to that number. Okay. So here we are given some examples, right? So it is n equal to 2. So n equal to 2. N equal to 2. That means factorial of 2 is 1 into 2, right? So it is 2. So let's say n is equal to 3. So what is the factorial? 1 into 2 into 3. So it is 3 into 2, 6. So it will be 6. So what we want to do, we want to multiply from 1 till n, right? So that is how we can solve this problem. So here input is 3, so that means factorial is 6. Let's try to submit it. Yes, that is correct. So let's try to write the pseudocode for this. So what we will do, we are given with a n, right? So fact is our factorial, maybe factorial is our function of n is given. So what we'll do, we will take one variable int fact equal to 1, right? And what we will do, we will try to run a one for loop for I equal to 1 till n, right? And inside that what we will do, fact equal to fact into I, right? And what we'll do at the end, we'll return fact. So let's try to dry run our code. So let's see if our n is equal to 3. N is equal to 3. So for the first time our fact, we will write fact here, right? And we will write I here. What is our fact and I? So for the first time fact is 1 due to this statement, right? And then I is 1. When I is 1, fact equal to fact into I, this statement. So in this statement what will happen, 1 into 1, fact will become 1. Then again I will become 2. Here I will become 2. Then once I will become 2, fact equal to fact into I. So 1 into 2, fact will become 2. Then again we will come back here at this statement, I will become 3. Once I will become 3, at this statement what will happen, 3 into 2, fact will become 6. Then again we will come back to this statement, but here we are doing I equal to 1 to n. That means we have already reached our I equal to 3. So what we'll do, we will return fact, so which will be 6 in this case. And let's try to understand the time complexity here. Time complexity will be O of n, right? Why O of n? We are running our for loop from 1 to n, so that's why O of n. And space complexity, it is O of 1 because we are not using any other space rather than the loop variables. Okay, so let's try to code this here. So we will take one variable int fact equal to 1. Then inside that we'll do for int I equal to 1 till I is less than equal to n and I plus plus. After that, inside here what we'll do, we will do fact equal to fact into I, right? And at the end we will return fact. Let's try to run this. So yes, it's accepted. For 0 it is returning 1 and for 2 it is returning 2. Let's try to submit it. Yes, it is submitted also. Let's try to do the time complexity. It is O of n because there is single for loop that iterates from 1 to n, and O of 1 is the space complexity because that is a constant amount of space used for variables, right? Let's try to do the code review as well. Line number 5, improve variable naming for clarity. Okay, then also line 8 suggests adding a comment explaining purpose of loop. Okay, we should add comments here. So yeah, generic review comments we are getting here. Apart from that, you may have to use here as a long also as a data type, because there might be a conditions where factorial number can be a big number, right? So yeah, that's it for now. Please subscribe to our channel and like, and also share our videos in your circle, so your friends will also get the benefit. Thank you for watching.